Namar makuat kalat kan long tu be. Suam kan niap.
Kiri upop sudah. Kimdan hi ka boarding ban ai yangi.
Chuang mem ta. Ngalai ngatieng bat mai cika bodum. Ban ngam kuat ban niap bak cingdum.
Ndam la apo sethleo pat. Kadum hiam.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabanta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Menteri Rangba ka jela ukan rat kongkol sangma, kentuk ru ki arngut kisembut Menteri Rangba kata uba perstun tingsong bot uba asnyaw bahalang Dhar. Bat ki wei de ki Menteri Sarkar, ki MLA, bat ki MDC. Kumjuru ki he officer ha khasan tarik ujumang ajo penrio. Ki lahir ca Shnong Narbong, Byrnihat, ban pli ya ka Dhar plai, ka Karkhana Shna Plywood, balas Seng do MLA barim ke umrai constituency uba Ngaitlang Dhar. Kani ka Dhar plai ni ka Karkhana Shna Plywood. Jung uba Ngaitlang Dhar ka di ka Karkhana ka bahe, pa ka badan kampantri di spangut kinong tray. Ba ya ki plai belapan mi. Na ka di Karkhana on sa syalan hajela pat hakeleng ki jela kari India.
Strength that begins of research, design of something truly extra, creativity and teamwork. I'm thrilled to welcome Ngaitlang Dhar by Aikajikra, Ngaitlang Dhar and Khap. With due respect,
Ngaku mu beriu wapila aktivis rai baro ala sedang bisnes lagi kontrak bisnes ding naduk meswa kumta terter ila sedang man persangkat bala ibor berit ala poi kumbolong mentas ngilala man penurlong jaga di plywood industry mendon mano lani ki baik perlu ki partner lani ki baik mendon mano ngidon hitang ngisi family tang family jong ile jong hi bangila pengkre bangila snai kini tangadap ke jing snokman amdai ke jing snokman ke bangala la pan snai kini ke factory lani bukan kamai spa yang ka jing kemen ke jonga pangas ngubang ke pasno tolong tenat pangala la pan penroy industri Hapok State pan ngalala ro pan aikam yaki bru jong yaki lokal ginong tray apo gani ke factory kumalai spa san pangud ay ginong tray dibat sayo ban dulungi kata gadai ke pangas ngo tenat pangas ngo bang
beri ubadon kasap kapong ubelai ulah kerku kerta dengan ngejskem namar kata baparo mangi kum ka jaj benriu bat kum ka jelai megla barok away in ai ya ka kerku kerdo ya uni urang ba balala pan Seng ya kan ka factory pan increment scam kum mga ong yehi kan ai mensim ya ka paten ke jogi nam nei sakmat Dengan kuat syuban mungkin, ngai ku boleh saya sisin pat mangai, boleh try kenal pun kerku kerdok ya pi, dia kayen kasen jom pi parok kawe, ai bahkan ke factory ke bagi sedang mentarasni, kan penpau nam dia ke jelam bekela jomi, pat kumju ru, kan ai ke jingker ku kamtam ia kan ke tan ia kini kisnom parok, akaba what ia ka employment generation ru kumbai la batai mene kalong kalat na kamentaki kun samla jomi bat na kamentaki nong song stong jong kanekatan bat kadong hapo Ribon.
You look at the kind of standards that have been maintained. You look at the kind of work that has gone into this, the quality that is being done. I think speaks volumes about the kind of commitment that the entire company, the directors, the owners, and the workers have towards this factory. It really makes me very, very happy to see this factory being inaugurated today. And once again, I would like to congratulate my Ngaitlang Dhar, his entire family, and all the people who are behind making this particular program and this particular factory a great success. Let us give them, once again, let us give them a round of applause. Congratulations. On the economic front, I do hope that the investments that are today coming into Meghalaya, you'll be happy to know that just in the last 6 months to about 8 months since our new policies have come up, we have cleared in the sense that committed investments in terms of the agreements being signed. We have committed investments of close to 3,000 crores in the last 8 months alone. And our target was to see that we should touch 10,000 crores minimum. We are well towards that target. So I hope that this trend will continue. Economic development is driven by private investment and government spending mostly. And both these sectors are moving forward and must move forward. To conclude, why is industrial development also necessary? For any state or any nation, the biggest challenge that we have is employment. At the end of the day, jobs have to be created for our youth. And every state and government focuses on that. That is the number one priority and challenge at the same time. And therefore, it is only through having industrial development and investments can we create jobs. Today, there are 300 plus youngsters and individuals who are working here today. Direct investment and direct jobs have been created, and indirect, there have been many, many hundred jobs that will be created. Therefore, this one unit is going to be supporting close to 500 lives and families, I should say, which is maybe about 3,000 lives and individuals if you include the family members. So that is the kind of impact that investments and industrial growth has. There are many, many critics who keep telling us and keep talking about the fact that all of these kind of factories, what is the use of these factories, we don't need these factories. We need these factories. We need economic development, but there has to be a balance. That is what is important. And therefore, there are many laws and mechanisms to maintain that balance. That is why policies are created. That is why programs are created. That is why different kind of agencies are there. All to ensure that while economic growth takes place, jobs are created, we also ensure that a balance is kept in society and in the overall environment. Therefore, I'm very happy, and I would like to see that in the coming days, more and more investments should come into our state of Meghalaya. I take this opportunity to encourage all of you that we should see and learn and be inspired by individuals like Ngaitlang Dhar, who, in spite of the challenges they've faced, have persistently, consistently, based on their commitment and their hard work, have overcome those challenges. And I encourage our youngsters that entrepreneurship and starting your business is the way forward for you, for our state, and for our country.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.